Hello, everybody, and welcome back. My name is Daniel Bay, and welcome to my new episode. So, in this video, this time, I'll be sharing what I have learned in my Math 1121 pace. Yes. So, in my previous videos and previous episodes, I have been sharing and talking about the concepts I have learned, the concepts the pace is talking about, the concepts and the terms and the theorems, the axioms, and informations the pace was giving out. And I have shared about the axioms of equality, and axioms of addition. Axioms of addition, the closure axiom for addition, identity axiom for addition, an additive inverse for addition, and commutative axiom for addition, and associative axiom for addition. And for this time, I'll be talking about axioms of multiplication. This would be pretty long compared to the previous two axioms because there are more various types of axioms in multiplication. And I'll be sharing. So the first, before I'll have a sip, sorry. So the first to share would be the axioms of multiplication. Would be closure axiom for multiplication. So it goes on like this. If A and B are real numbers, then A multiplied by B is equal to unique real numbers. If A and B are real numbers, then A multiplied by B is equal to any unique real number. This means that when two real numbers will multiply together, the product will be a real number. If 2 is a real number, 3 is a real number, 2 times 3, then it's 6. 6 is a real number. It goes on like that. The next term I would be explaining is the identity axiom for multiplication. So it says for any real number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's all real number with 0. A, any real number, we call it A. A multiplied by 1 equals to A. Or 1 multiplied by A is equal to A. Such easy. Let's say A is 10. 10 multiplied by 1. What is that? 10. 9 multiplied by 1. What is it? 9. 1 multiplied by 9. 9. 10. 1 multiplied by 10. 10. 20. 20 multiplied by 1 is 20. 1 multiplied by 20 is 20. So it's A for any real number. A multiplied by 1 is A. And 1 multiplied by A is A. And next term would be multiplicative, it's hard to pronounce, multiplicative inverse for multiplication. So every non-zero real numbers, except for 0, so it's starting from 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, until 100, until thousands and millions and billions, it's all real numbers. So for every non-zero real numbers, we call it A, they have a multiplicative inverse, so which is 1 over A, such that A multiplied by 1 over A equals to 1, and the 1 over A multiplied by 1 equals to A equals to 1. So it's similar to the term that I've explained was the additive inverse. Multiplicative inverse is that this thing multiplied by something, so there's any non-zero real numbers which is multiplied by their multiplicative inverse, that makes it 1. If it's 5, then multiplicative inverse of 5 would be 1 over 5. Then 5 multiplied by 1 over 5, what is it? It's 1. 10. If multiplicative inverse of 10 is 1 over 10, 10 multiplied by 1 over 10, it's 1. So it goes on like this. And thank you. And that was it for sharing what I have learned from my Math 1121 page. Thank you, and see you in my next video.